I found peace. My experience has been really, really wonderful at this place. The professionalism of the people here, the staff, they're very nice, friendly. They are very well knowledgeable and oriented, focusing in people and give you the best care that they can. I've been feeling very, very blessed, very fortunate, and have the privilege of being here. Because the fact of being here in this place made me happy, made me be in peace, and knowing that here I can learn more about Jesus Christ made me feel very, very good. 100% I will recommend people to come here because I received the best treatment, the best love and care that I cannot get somewhere else because I've been in other places too. And I would recommend people because it's a very nice place to be.